What is MIWE Air Control? MIWE Air Control allows the amount of air flowing through the baking chamber to be precisely controlled. Especially with baked goods such as cheesecakes, which are usually baked in deck ovens, the amount of air required in a convection oven is very small. Another example is pure rye bread. Of course, it is also possible to bake these products in the MIWE roll-in. Pure rye bread requires a lot of energy, in other words, very large air control levels. I will now show you how to set that on the MIWE roll-in. I have two options for adjusting the MIWE air control. I first tap on the baking program that I want to change. In this column, we see the checkerboard pattern symbolizing MIWE air control. You will also find this checkerboard pattern at the top right of the oven. There are 10 air control levels. To achieve a crispier crust or more air movement in the baking chamber, I will increase it to level 8 and confirm. So, now level 8 is stored. We just did this in manual mode. In the program management, however, you also have the option of making the change permanent. To do that, I have to navigate to the program management. The original program is changed from the initial level of 6 to level 8 and confirm it, which means it is stored. If you confirm again and go back, then change no longer appears and the 8 is permanently stored in the baking program.
Backprogramm ist auch die 8 hinterlegt.